Have to find the one that goes on the thing. See, what they want you to do is hook up a piece of pipe, right, to the pump. So they made it to adapt to this for the filter, which is good. But now we have to get this part to hook onto a hose. Plumbing is, yeah, one of those things. And then they gave you this piece, but they didn't give you the other part that goes to the hose. So, yeah, we're stuck again.
Oh no!
Yeah, we have to find a way.
What are you looking for?
One connection piece that you need. Sometimes I have. So I found this piece.
Yeah?
If we can get this piece to connect onto a small piece of pipe, which we have.
How could I possibly know those things?
I know. That.
Right, yeah.
Your water jug right here.
Right.
Then water goes in here,
Yeah?
comes out here, goes up here,
Right.
and comes out your shower head. We have to put power to the pump.
Right.
Okay, so we hook up power
Right.
from where? We have to connect these wires. I have to put a switch here or somewhere to turn the pump on. We have to run a wire over to the battery. I'm going to put a strap on here, right in here, hold these hoses, so if you yank on them, it doesn't break the pump, right?
Oh.
And then this door
Oh, there's a door.
is going to cover the pump, so you can't put anything against it, it's going to break it. Because I know you too well.
Sorry. You think
I would do it anyway, even if it was my car. Right? I would
if
do
I
it.
understand this right, look like I gonna buy another hose, right?
Yeah, I'll have to tee off here.
Or tee
Like
off.
cut this later
Oh,
and tee off. I can just go up here and that way
oh,
and go over to the sink, right? So when you turn the pump on, it'll give that water and it'll give that water.
oh, okay.
And if you want hot water there, then I have to put a T in here and take another hose around for hot water. But that's
Yeah.
we could do that later.
We could?
Yeah, we could. Not going to use the hot water right now, so this will be in the future. we'll turn the water on, check for leaks.
Okay.
See, the pump turns off. And you turn this off, right? Pump goes on. See, if you look at other van builds like this, they have two skinny water tanks like this,
Right.
but they're about this deep, and you know, about the same height, maybe as a bucket, maybe taller, right? They can go together, and you put one strap around, and they sit nice, right? You have to buy the right ones, so they have to be able to fit in here. And because that has to go right below the sink hole.
Right.
Okay, I'll check the. No cars. Okay, here she goes.
Okay. See you later.
Put your feet on the pedals. Our first ride off to get a water tank.
Return one, get the new one. Yeah, perfect.
Because the pump gets the water from outside or inside, depending on which way you switch it. This will stop it from rattling. Inside, outside.
Okay. Inside, outside. Okay. But
Don't confuse yourself. I'll put right here. Right? I'll put out. O-U-T. Outside bucket. You'll see when it goes, when you start pumping, you'll see. Okay, let's open it all the way to cold.
yeah.
Okay, that works.
Okay.
Work.
Should I try that too?
So this is inside.
Okay.
Right now?
Yeah. Perfect.
Yeah.
That's exactly what I need. Done? Oh. So if I need hot water, I can just bring in a bucket and.
You need that for outside.
Right. Good job.